Hi guys, welcome back guys. So myself yes Pranesh. So now I talk about wind farms and their potential to provide alternative energy for a commercial users. So first I will talk about what is wind farm. A wind farm or a wind park is also called a wind power station or a wind power plant. It's a group of wind turbines in the same location used to produce electricity. Okay, wind farms were in a size for a small number of turbines to several hundred wind turbines covering a extension area. Wind farms can be either a onshore or a offshore. So many of the largest potential onshore wind farms are located in China, India, and the United States. For example, largest wind farms in the world, Ganxius Wind Farm in China, had a capacity over 6,000 meter watt by 2012, with the goal achievements 20,000 meter watt by 2020. Okay, so here are the wind farms. So I will as the December 2020 the 12,218 watts or RNC wind farm in the United Kingdom is the largest offshore wind farm in the world. Individually, wind turbines design a continue to increasing the power, resulting in fewer turbines beginning needed for the same total output. Because they require no fuel, no wind farms have less impact on the environment that than many other forms of power generation. Wind farms have, however, been certified for their visual impact and the impact on the landscape. So here are the wind farms. So next, I talk about what is commercial wind farm. So what is commercial wind farm? So a wind farm is a cluster of a wind turbines that acts and is connected to the power system as a single electricity produce power station. Generally, it is except that the wind farm consists of more than three wind turbines. Okay, so what are the wind turbine used for? So wind turbine connect connected the kinetic energy converted the kinetic energy sorry converted the kinetic energy in the wind into a mechanical power. The mechanical power can be used for specific task or can be converted into electricity by generator. So okay, we understand what is wind turbine so used and what is wind farm. Okay, and what are the wind farms used for? So land based wind energy. Severally, electricity provided today use wind planet to supply a power to their customers. Standard alone with the wind turbines are typically used for water pumping or communication. However, farmers, homeowners, and ranchers in a windly area can also use wind turbines as a way to cut their electricity bill. So super. So potential energy in a wind farm. So potentially, what is potential? So basic idea is the wind turbine use blades to collect the wind potential and kinetic energy. So this is the potential energy in a wind farm. Wind turbine blades which spins the motor that is connected the generator create electricity energy. Most of wind turbines have four basic parts. Blades are attached to a hub which spins the blade to turn. So nice. So types of alternative energy in a turbine use. So okay, what is a wind turbine turns wind energy into electricity using the aromatic force from a blades which works like in a aeroplane winds or helicopter motor blades. When a wind flows across the blade, the air pressure on the one side of the blade decreases. So define alternative energy. So what is alternative energy? So define usually power that comes from a renewable or a green resource, alternative energy source or a technological. So this is the alternative energy. So next I will see what types of alternative or a renewable energy. So there are six types. They are solar energy, wind energy, geothermal, hydroelectric, and tidal and biomass. Okay. So how these types are renewable energy works? So how the energy works? So first we can see solar energy. So what is solar energy? So this is the image, the solar energy. They are in a picture. So sunlight is one of our planet most abundant and freely available energy resources. The amount of solar energy that reaches the Earth's surface in 1 hour is more than planet's total energy requirements for a whole year. Although it sounds like a perfect renewable energy source, the amount of solar energy we can varies accordingly to the time of the date and the scenes of the year as well as geographical location in the UK. Solar energy is an increasable popular way to supplemental your energy usual usage. Find out from the reading the guide of solar power. So you can search what is the solar power and you will search more information. So why what is the commercial use in solar energy? So commercial use, it is solar panels can be used to power industrial built-in off grind or a remote location. Commercial solar panels installed on the rooftop of the building can be used to light up a sign or a message board. Solar energy charges the battery so that the signs can remain illustrated even during the night. So next, what is wind energy? So next we can see wind energy. So wind energy is nothing but the wind is a plentiful source of cleaning energy. So wind farms are increasingly familiar right in the UK with the wind power, making an ever increasing contribution to the national grid. To our harness electricity from a wind energy turbine are used to drive generators which then feed the electricity in the nation grid. All through demonstrate or off-grid generation system are available. Not every property is suitable for domestic wind turbine. Find out more about wind energy on the wind power page. Okay, this is also so what is wind energy? Okay, next commercial use in wind energy. So the this is the wind turbine class produce commercial quantity of the power and can be well matches the compass largest facility communication and larger municipal public loads. So next we can see geothermal. Geothermal is nothing but the it is a much more freely available. So whenever the okay, so then geothermal commercial uses. So geothermal commercial uses is the temperature of the water 68 Fahrenheit to 302 Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, direct heater for simply industrial and commercial uses. In addition, suspended fluid from the geothermal electricity plants can be substituted used for direct use of application in so-called case study operation. So okay, what is next? Hydroelectric energy. Okay, it is a renewable energy source. Hydropower is one of the most commercial development by developing a dam and bridges. A large sorry can be used to create a controlled flow of the water that will drive a turbine generation electricity. This is the hydroelectricity, nothing but okay. So next, and the commercial use of hydroelectric energy. So hydropower dams imported water in sorry during times of high high flow which can then used to human requirement during time low flow. Okay, therefore when the natural flow or independent positive impact of a dam's improve flood control and improve the welfare resulting new axis. So it's a drinking water, so tiled energy, so it is nothing but so is used commercial uses the momentum of the water to push turbine or generate electricity. So it is nothing but so last and final, so biomass energy. So it is so you will check in Google. Okay, So commercial uses in biomass is no food product or paper industries used to biomass in combined heat and power planet from a process heat and to generate electricity in their own use. So this is a biomass. Okay, so this is, we know what is wind farm and commercial uses, alternative energy, wind turbines. So what is renewable energy and this types in this video. So you will enjoy this video. So thanks for watching. So see you on next video. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.